Namaste students, good morning to all. Warm welcome to you all again after the Unit 3 examinations. I hope you all have done your examinations very well, very good for that. Today we are going to see the chapter 2 in your Hindi book. Everyone should have to take page number 9. This is the chapter 2 in your Hindi book. Name of this chapter is Guru Ka Sthan. What is the name of the chapter? Guru Ka Sthan. It is the place of teacher. Guru means teacher. Okay. Your teacher. Sthan means place. Okay. Listen. It is a story. Drama based story. Okay. Pratham Drishya. It means scene 1. Kaatchi ஒன்று அப்படி சொல்லுவாங்கல்ல. That is that. Pratham Drishya. It is first scene. Okay. The conversation between here. The conversation happened in the palace between the Raja and Mandri. Raja means king. Mandri means minister. Ministers are there in the king. No? Listen. First, Raja. I am going to read the Raja. Mandri ji, हम सोच रहे हैं कि सुयोग्य गुरु से शिक्षा प्राप्त करके अपना ज्ञान बढ़ाए ताकि प्रजा की और भी अच्छी देखभाल हो सके. Raja, the king is telling to the minister. What he is telling means, Mr. Minister. Okay, soch means think. I am thinking of getting education. Okay, from a learned teacher and enhanced my knowledge so that my subjects in kingdom can be looked after in a better way. Okay, who told to the minister? The king. Okay, to whom? To the minister. What he told? I want to get a education from a learned teacher. Okay, he want to learn education from the teacher. Okay, this is the wish of the king. So he conveyed his wish to the minister. Okay, next. Mandri means minister. Maharaj, बहुत अच्छा विचार है. Okay, what the minister said means, Maharaj, O king, your majesty, your royal, like that. We are calling the king with respect. Okay, the minister called the king with respect. Your majesty, it is a very good thought. Okay, it is a very good thought. वैसे भी पढ़ने लिखने का बहुत शौक है. You are already fond of studying. Okay, what the minister said means, you are already fond of studying. Okay, इससे शौक भी पूरा हो जाएगा और प्रजा की बेहतर ढंग से देखभाल करने की योग्यता भी प्राप्त होगी. Okay, and then what he is telling means, you will not only pursue your hobby, but will also be able to take better care of your subjects. Subjects means here kingdom, Archi, Makkal, Praja, like that. Okay, you will what the minister said means, you are not reading for the hobby. Okay, you will not pursue education for your hobby, but will also be able to, when you are getting education well means we will able to take care of our kingdom very well. Okay, yes, true, no? Yes, like that. Next, Raja is telling. Raja means king. मंत्री जी, अगर आपका भी यही विचार है तो शीघ्र ही सुयोग्य और अनुभवी गुरु को इस कार्य के लिए आमंत्रित कीजिए. Okay, the king is telling to the minister, Mr. Minister. Okay, what he is telling, if you also think so, what the king is thinking, the minister is also thinking it is good. The taking education is good. Like that, the minister is also thinking. Okay, then soon invite an able and experienced teacher for this purpose. Okay, so search the very experienced teacher for this purpose. For which purpose? For learning education. Who is going to learn? The king is going to learn. Okay, listen. Next, Mandri. The minister is telling to the replying to the king, Ji Maharaj. Okay, king. श्योर. ओके, मैं शीघ्र ही इसकी व्यवस्था करता हूँ. व्हाट ही इज टेलिंग? श्योर योर मेजेस्टी, श्योर. Okay, he is accepting. I will soon make arrangement. What arrangement? Getting the new teacher to learn education. What the minister replying to the king means, sure, I will make arrangement very soon. Like that, the minister is answering to the king. Okay, in the bracket also I am going to read. मंत्री ने व्यवस्था पूरी करके सुयोग्य गुरु को राज दरबार में आमंत्रित किया और महाराज को सूचित कर दिया. The minister invites, and what the minister did means, he invites an able teacher into the court and informed the king after making all the arrangements. What he did, the minister did, what the minister did means, he called the very educated teacher to the court and informed, and also he informed to the king that I made an arrangement. Like that, he informed to the king also. Who? The minister. To whom? The king. What he made arrangements? He made your teacher. Okay, for learning. Listen. Second scene. Dvidish Drishya. It means second scene. Raja. Gurudev ko pranam. While seeing your teacher means what you do first. Okay, if you are a minister or you are a king, if you are a doctor, whomever you will be, okay, you will be. But if you are seeing your teacher means what you have to do suddenly you have to do greetings to your teacher. Namaste ma'am, welcome ma'am. Like that, the king is also saying, accept my regards sir. What he is saying, accept my regards sir. Gurudev means here teacher. Siranjeevi ho. Okay, यशस्वी हो, ज्ञानवर्धन की आपकी इच्छा प्रशंसनीय है. The teacher is, the king is saying namaste to the guru. No, for that the teacher is replying to the king. What he is replying means, may you stay blessed with healthy. Okay, may you stay blessed and healthy. Live long. Like that, the teacher wishes to the who? To whom? To the king. Okay? Your longing to get knowledge is commendable. Okay? Raja. Next, Raja is telling, आप जैसे श्रेष्ठ गुरु को पाकर हम प्रसन्न हैं. हमारा मनोरथ पूर्ण हो जाएगा. The king is telling, I am very happy to get a great teacher like you. Okay? I am very, very happy to get a great teacher like you. Now my desire will be fulfilled. What is my desire? What is the king's desire? To get knowledge? No. To get to learn education? No. So what he is telling to the teacher? No. Now my desire will be fulfilled. Like that, he is replying to the teacher. Okay, Gurudev, Rajan Vidya Aram Karte Hain. Okay, what the teacher started learning. Okay, what he is telling, let's start learning. We are going to start our lessons. Like that, the teacher is telling. Okay, King, Raja, हाथ जोड़ते हुए जी Gurudev. Okay, and what the king did means, he folded his hands, okay, in front of the teacher. As you say sir, what you are saying I will accept sir. Like that, the king is respecting to the teacher. Gurudev, राजा का कर्तव्य है कि वह प्रजा के हर सुख दुख के बारे में जानकारी रखे. Okay, teacher, what he is teaching means, it is the duty of a king. What is the duty of the king? He has to take care of his kingdom, subjects very well. He has to take care of the people. Okay, what the teacher telling to the king means, it is the duty of a king to have knowledge of the well-being of his subjects. Yes, correct? No? Yes. Okay, listen. इसलिए इसके लिए राजा के व्यवहार में दयालुता होनी चाहिए. For this, a king must behave in a kind manner. How the king has to behave to the people? The king has to behave kindly to the people. Okay? Then only his subjects will be good. His kingdom will be good. Okay? Listen. न्यायप्रिय राजा ही अपनी प्रजा की उचित देखभाल कर सकता है. Only a fair king is able to look after his subjects well. Okay, the king should be equal to everyone in the country. He should be equal to all the people in the country. Okay, then only he will able to look after his subjects very well. The Guru is telling. Okay. इस प्रकार राजा की शिक्षा प्रारंभ हो गई. Thus the studies of the king started. Okay, like that the education is going on. Okay. राजा गुरु से ज्ञान की जो भी बात सुनते रानी को अवश्य बताते. राजा को शिक्षा प्राप्त करते हुए कई माह बीत गए मगर राजा को कोई लाभ नहीं हुआ. उन्होंने इस विषय में रानी से बात की. Okay, listen. Whatever knowledge he is getting from the teacher, the king, okay, the king, what he did means he conveyed to his queen also. Whatever knowledge he get from the teacher, he conveyed to the queen also. Okay, have you understood what I am telling? Whatever knowledge the king got from the teacher, he was sure to tell his queen. Okay, it had been months that the king started studying, but he was not able to gain so much knowledge. He started to learn so many days over, but the king didn't get much knowledge. Okay, he talked to the queen in this regard. Okay, he discussed with this matter to the queen also. I didn't get so much knowledge. What's the matter? I don't know. Like that, the king tell to the queen also. Okay. राजा गुरुदेव हमारा ज्ञानवर्धन करने के लिए बहुत मेहनत करते हैं परंतु हमें उसका कोई लाभ नहीं मिला पा रहा. King is telling to the queen, my teacher works hard to teach me, but I am unable to gain anything. Okay, I am not able to understand why this is happening also. ये समझ नहीं पा रहे कि ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है. What he is telling means I am not able to understand why this is happening, why I am lagging of knowledge. Like that, the king is telling to the queen that my teacher works hard, okay, but I didn't get so much knowledge. Why like this happening? I don't know. Like that, the king is telling to the queen. रानी, हम कई दिनों से आपको इस विषय पर चिंतित देख रखे हैं. आप गुरुदेव से ही इसका कारण क्यों नहीं पूछते? The queen is telling to the king, I have noticed that you seem worried on this matter so many days. I also noticed this matter. Why don't you ask your teacher? What is the reason for that? Okay, you go and ask to your teacher. Like that, the queen tell to the king. Okay, balance story we will see in the next class. Thank you.